I cannot do like this, but now I can do. I felt just a little pain, but every day it's getting better until such time that there was no pain at all. Before, I was afraid because I didn't know what will happen. But now, the recovery was very fast. That's why when my friends last night, they came and they visited me, they were so surprised to see me walking. And the cut was so small. Really, only here in humanity, doctors can go here. Before, I couldn't really walk because it's so painful here. Yeah, but now, there's no pain so much because before I couldn't. That's why I said, okay, I have to do this one, even though my mind was saying, but after the surgery, there is no pain, no more. The doctors here, the nurses, even though they're tired, they're always like smiling. They're very accommodating and caring. Hayocheka from our heart. My experience here is really wonderful. My sister in the US, she is also a head nurse. So first, she didn't want me to undergo because she's afraid. But then I said, no, China is very good. I have confidence in the doctors here. My sister in the Philippines, because I have another sister, the same like this. She is 62 years old. When I heard that the 95 years old survived doing like this, so my sister could also. So I am thinking when I get home this June, I will show her everything and maybe I can invite her to come here.